Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to go in here, we're going to go to Domino's Pizza. Let's see what it's like, see if it's the same as what you get in the USA and the UK or even Australia. Let's see how good Thailand Domino's is. I think I'm going to go for one of these volcano pizzas by the looks of it. Anyway, let's go. I'm just a dreamer, I dream my life away. I'm just a dreamer who dreams of better days. It is absolutely boiling outside, so coming in there is really nice. Anyway, look at these we've all got here. Hello, Smiley Club. Okay, so the one I've gone for is the ultimate pepperoni, and this is cheese in the middle. I had one over here, but this one is really spicy. The cheese one cost more money. $2.99 it was. Yeah, so that song that I was singing earlier, Ozzy Osbourne, one of my favourite singers of all time. Rest in peace, Ozzy. If you go down the side there, you can watch them make the pizzas. I think that might be mine on my one. Hello? No, it's a bit too small. What I want to know is what that cheese thing is in the middle. How do we do that? Do we add it on afterwards? That's what I want there. So 6 minutes. It's in the oven already. How quick? Let's see how make it. Yeah, so I must have missed them making it. Not busy there, so whacked it straight through the oven anyway. It's a bit hot in here. You're gonna have to move near the aircon, but it's alright. Boiling out there. So this is how we do the volcano. Yeah, let us know in the comments what's your favourite Ozzy Osbourne song. Mine has got to be War Pigs or Crazy Train. Let us know in the comments what you like. Just say cheese. Finally, it's here. Let's have a look. You ready for this? Oh. Bit different, isn't it? Over here we've got some sauce. Don't know if we need any sauce. Maybe some herbs. A little bit different, isn't it? Not what you'd normally expect. I don't know what I'm going to do with all that cheese. Right, I'm going to go in and eat with my hands. Maybe not, that's really, really hot. Right. That is nice. I don't know about the cheese. It's supposed to go like that. Surely that can't be healthy. Herbs on that. These are impossible to open. There we go. Oh, that's good. Everywhere. Anyway, next slice. Tell you what, this pizza's really, really nice. That cheese sauce, yeah, I'm not too keen on that, you know. But the pizza, spot on. I think that cheese sauce is fully crossed. You just go right out. Going to make myself sick if I eat all of this. So, in a few days, I'm going on a little bit of a trip. Let's see if you can guess where I'm going. It's only going to be about 4 days, but it's apparently really, really cheap. I'm going to do fantastic sandwiches. There's a bit of a clue for you. Sandwiches. It's alright. It's not something like a child would eat. I'm going to eat all of this. I'm going to take some home. What I'm going to do, get them to put it in a bag, and then I'll eat this tomorrow. There we have it, guys. That was alright actually. If I was going to go there again, I wouldn't order the volcano. I would just get the normal pizza. I reckon that big bit in the middle takes up a lot of pizza. So I'll just go for the normal pizza, which is cheaper. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Adios.